Welcome, dear students. How are you all? I hope you guys are fine and doing well. I welcome you all to AppSec's online support program. This is the video lesson for class 3, textbook, integrated studies, computer science, chapter 13, task 2, transitions and animations. Summary of the lesson is in this lesson, we are going to learn more about applying transitions, which makes drawing more beautiful and appealing. Thought of the day: integrity is doing the right thing when no one is watching. Objectives: today we will learn to add animations and transitions to our presentation. Success criteria: to start the animation effect immediately after the previous effect in the list finishes, select after previous. So, as you know, our today's task is transition and animations. So, I will today tell you how can we add transitions and animations to our presentation. Okay, so let's open PowerPoint and see how can we apply transitions and animations to our presentation. Okay, so let's open PowerPoint. Okay, so first we need to go to the left corner and write PowerPoint here. So here is the result. Click over here and open PowerPoint. So this is your PowerPoint window. I am adding two slides over here. This is my first slide. For instance, I am just adding two slides. And here I am adding the new slide. I am taking the second layout, and my second slide is about PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so I have created these two slides. Now I will tell you how can we apply transition and animation to this slide. So first of all, can you see these tabs over here? Home tab, insert tab, design tab, transitions, animation, slideshow, review and view. So these all are the tabs. First I'm clicking on the transitions tab. So you can see different transitions over here. Okay, so I am selecting my first slide and applying shape transition. So this way it will show you the transition effect. When you click on the slide and transition, then you can see the different effects. You can use these two. After clicking on the drop down arrow, you can see more of the transitions. I am selecting the second one now. I am selecting the effects, transition effects for my second slide here. Okay, so this way you can add transitions to your slide. If you want to add duration for your transition slide, you want to play the second transition after a specific time, then you can specify the length of the transition. Okay, you can add the timings over here. After 25 seconds, if you want to play the second transition, then you can add durations over here. Okay, so I am now moving to animation tab. This is my animation tab. You can see different animation. You can add these animations to your text, to your text box, or if you want to add the animation only to the text, then you can also apply it. Okay, so you can see different animations by clicking on the drop down arrow. You can see different effects from here. If your windows If your office is upgraded, then you can see more of the updated functions over here. So these are the different animations effects. I have added bounce to this text. I have selected my text box, then I have added different animation. You can see one by one by checking all the animations. Okay, now I'm moving to second slide and I want to add wheel shape and vibe. You can see one by one which is more suitable, then you can apply it by watching one by one. Okay, if you want to add animation duration also, then you can choose with an animation start to play. First, animation can start after a mouse click. If you want to add a mouse click, then you need to use the mouse click option. And if you want to add the duration by itself, you want to specify the length of animation, then you can add animation duration. And if you want to delay, if you want to play the animation after a certain number of seconds, then you can use it. I am making it to 25 seconds and I am adding 2 seconds delay. Okay, it is not writing, so I am just writing over here 0.2 seconds. Okay, so these are the timings. So this way you can add the timings to your animations and transitions. So now I want to slide show my presentation and see how this basically looks like. I want to play it from beginning. If you want to use the short key to play the slide, you can press F1. I am playing it from beginning, so this way it will show you. I am just pressing the keys because it is just to show you how it is basically works. Yes, this is looking very nice. Okay, so I hope the topic was interesting and you have learned from today's topic. Practice this again and again at your computer. Alright, so here we are for the home assignment. This is your home assignment. Make a 5 slide presentation about yourself. Present some interesting personal information. Keep in mind that your presentation has to be appealing. Use transitions and animation effects to make it exciting. When your presentation is ready, present into the class. So, as you know that we are not in the class, so you can present it at your home, show it to your mother, show it to your father. So, after completing this home assignment, send me the document of your presentation, or you can show me by making the video of these 5 presentation. Show me on the screen, or you can show me the document as well. So in the end, I just want to say that integrity is doing the right thing when no one is watching. It is not important that all are watching, then you need to go do the right things, then you behave well. We need to be kind, we need to show integrity when no one is watching as well, because we know Allah is always watching and monitoring our activities. Take care of yourself, take care of your family. Don't forget to smile. Thank you.